In this video, I'm going to explain how Capital One shopping rewards work. First, you will need to install the extension. You want to download the Capital One shopping browser extension, which is available for Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and other browsers. You just want to Google search for it to get it. Next, you will shop online. You want to go to your favorite online stores, such as Walmart, Macy's, Best Buy, via the extension. And you earn rewards. You'll see offers like earn 5% back in rewards. You want to click and activate it before checkout. Redeem rewards. Redeem your rewards for gift cards from places like Amazon, Starbucks, Walmart, and Domino's. Here are some things that you need to know. It's not instant. Rewards can take a few days to a few weeks to appear in your account. Bonus offers change. Different stores give different percent back and offers can change often. Check before buying. Returns can affect the rewards. If you return an item, you may lose the rewards you earned from it. And some tips to maximize rewards. Always activate the offer before buying. Compare cashback rates across sites. Use promo codes found by the extension for extra savings. And refer friends for bonus rewards. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.